What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Grayson here with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we are going to be installing as well as assembling and unboxing a 120-inch black diamond zero edge screen. This is the 1.4 gain. We have installed, this is a Screen Innovation screen, and this one has the backlit LED kitted on it as well. Now, we have installed this screen in the past, but we've never actually assembled it. We normally get it fully assembled. So I wanted to show you guys the exact process as well as what's included. So let me give you an overview. We just got everything out of the box, and I'll show you exactly how this thing comes together. Okay, so one of the first steps is just to get all these elbows nice and square and tight. You can see this one over here is loose. We haven't done it yet. We're just going around to each side and getting them nice and tight. Grayson's working on this corner right now. Okay, so whenever you're getting ready to get everything put together, I recommend that you get this lighting kit put on next. This just bolts right into the frame. It's nice because this is specifically designed to work with this screen. They have everything really nice and cleanly manufactured. And then you run the light strips all the way around like the guys have already done. And then you cut them right here. You're gonna wanna cut them on the copper. If you don't, and you're gonna have them overlap, but if you don't cut it in the correct location, you're gonna damage the LEDs completely. So yeah, you gotta cut it right there on the copper line, which Grayson has some scissors right now. Go ahead and cut it, and then have the other one just overlap. You gotta cut both of them.
Let me just make sure. Yeah, I think if we go back a little.
Not quite. Yeah, that's good. So you cut one like that, you can stick it down and have the other side overlap it, and then you just cut the next copper section, which in this case is going to be right here. Do you want to cut it real quick before I stick it?
Typically they're a little closer, but I guess this rolls a little different.
Then you just stick it down. And we're moving on to the next step.
Alright, so now that we got our frame and light kit assembled, we are now going to attach the little rubber tabs to the edge of the screen. Then we'll lay our frame down after that.
Alright guys, so before you lay down the exterior of the screen, the frame, you gotta put the Screen Innovations tabs in it. Make sure you put them with the Screen Innovations logo facing you up or from the bottom, and then pull back and you'll see the up logo.
Alright, so these little plastic tabs have little notches right here. You want to make sure you pull those to the back side of your screen. That way they stay in place, just like you see here. Not quite all the way. Just that little snap right there.
Oh, you should have recorded that. I'm like, okay.
Well, gee willikers.
How's that look on your side?
That looks really good on my side. Alright, now that we've got all of the little black tabs in place, as well as the little black sliding hooks, I guess.
Yeah.
Now we're going to start at the four corners and get those tensioned and then work out from there.
So to this, you do the vertical sides first, and then you want to make sure that this hooks the little metal tabs on the other side, and then it fits in perfectly. So you lift it up. Make sure this is in. Slide that in.
Okay, so we're hoping and praying it's gonna click on now. After
the plastic's bunched underneath. My side winning.
Alrighty guys, that has been a very long and tiring process. If you're wondering how easy it was not. Easy at all. But we did get it done, which is what counts.
And it looks great.
The customer is going to be absolutely thrilled. So we're going
does
to go
look
ahead and
great.
throw it up there on the wall, guys.
My fingers here.
Enough talking about it. Alrighty.
What do we do about the infrared? Hook it up first.
Yeah. Let's just.
Yeah. We got enough lead on
Okay, guys. So there's a little groove there on the back, and you don't want it hanging on the first hook. You want it in that groove so that it can't get knocked off. We're gonna check level right now. We may need to make a little tweak. We'll see in just a moment. I had a bag of Cheetos. Alright guys, it's up there, it's level, it's centered on the wall. Time to get this alignment going. Oh, look at that image.